Smiley potatoes are out. Screaming potatoes are all the rage. Hey guys, it's Nick. Let's make some potatoes scream. I take some boiled potatoes and pulverize them until smooth. I measure out 2 cups and place them in a separate bowl. Grind up some breadcrumbs and throw in some cornstarch and salt, 2 egg yolks, and the secret ingredient. Just a little bit of baking powder helps the potatoes stay light and fluffy. So fluffy. Mix it into a dough. Dump it out. Pat it. And roll. I'm going to take some cardstock and cut it into a little alien head shape. If you have an egg cookie cutter like that, you can use that. I place it onto the dough and cut it out with a knife. Using a straw, I form the facial features. If the straw is getting clogged, just use a skewer and push it through. Continue with the mouth and use a skewer for the nose. Using a butter knife, remove the excess dough and clean up the edges. Fill a cauldron with oil and boil until 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the face and drop it into the oil. Torture for 2 minutes until golden brown. Place the potatoes on a cookie sheet with a wire rack and bake at 400 degrees for 5 minutes. And bam! Perfect screaming potatoes. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the witchy bell for notifications and subscribe. Happy cooking!